Good evening to all. Good evening, Amit ji.
Good evening, sir.
I'm Mohsin Mokashi. I'm based at Pune. Right now,
Okay.
I'm a pharmaceutical professional here, working in medical devices also.
Wow.
So but the thing is that key as my Maharashtra region, particularly the Western Maharashtra region, is the what you say as a hub of some good agricultural products.
Hmm.
So see, I wanted to be an entrepreneur in that export business. So I learned a lot from you.
Thank you
So
so
that's
much.
and definitely this will help me in my future business. And I would wish to connect you anytime wherever I see any queries is coming and any concern is coming. And
Please, 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 anytime.
I'm very grateful that you said ki you are working for the not just for one person or two-person, you're working for the entire nation. So that
Thank
will
you so much,
definitely
ma'am.
build us. And even also our Indian government also saying that ki they want to increase their export. What do
Exactly.
you say? Yeah. So that will be definitely beneficial to a lot of people like me. So I'm very new to this export business, but I'm learning a lot.
Thank you so
So
much, and best of luck, and be connected for any kind of the query. Yeah. Thank you,
yeah.
Mohsin. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Thank you
day.
very much.
Bye bye.